Hey guys,
welcome back.
this is a puzzle couple, and we are refilming this because our other one messed up. So
It did.
sorry about that. This isn't going to be quite as spontaneous, or maybe it will be because we don't have a script.
we
just
do.
go woo and out to you.
Yeah,
So,
I don't think we ever think about what we say before we say it.
No, we just kind of say it.
And then I have to bleep out some things.
Sometimes it happens. But anyhow, we are back with another one. This is a 300-piece buffalo. You got it?
Yeah. This is something I cannot keep alive. These are sweet succulents.
Yeah.
Why are these so pretty?
They're beautiful. They're beautiful.
They're
since we already know the outcome of this one, we're not going to tell you. You'll have to wait till the end. So just watch through. Watch through, like and subscribe.
And
we told them we had to film, right?
Right, but I am going to show you guys the pieces before we get started. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? This is very well. That one's not as vibrant.
Some of them, yeah. Some of them are very colorful,
vibrant.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful pictures. Pieces.
Yeah, so going to just stick that back in, and you guys, like he said, just wait to the end and we will give our opinion on this.
Yep.
And if you guys like these type of puzzles, the 300, write that down below, because some people just really don't like to do puzzles that are below
this small. Or they don't like doing the big ones.
That's true.
Out there,
One or the other. Or do you do both? Let us know.
Well, what's up with that?
Yeah, let us know what you prefer, or if you don't prefer anything at all. Because even small puzzles can sometimes be super hard. That's what the group that we trade with said about this one, was that it was super hard.
Yeah.
So we will let you guys know what we think. And love you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
kidding. This is my latest and greatest succulent, and it is not.
It's half dead.
Yeah. I water it. I don't know why it keeps looking so dry in here, but it had 3. Now it's just 1. So, you guys, I cannot keep them alive. Is there a secret?
Maybe it's overwatering or underwatering.
Maybe.
Or, I don't know.
Maybe I should
maybe sunlight or not sunlight.
Maybe I should just stick to the puzzle plants.
Maybe.
So, yeah, maybe that's what I should be spending my money on instead of
that
actual plants.
Yeah.
But, you guys, we did it.
We got it through. Yep. About an hour and a half-ish.
Yeah.
Probably. Yeah.
A little bit. For 300 pieces, I think that this probably took a lot longer. What do you think?
Yeah, probably. I think we've had some faster 300 pieces. The colors were very... Even though on the box it looks like they're not... they'd be very easy to pinpoint. They're not really as easy as you would think. So
no.
Yeah.
No.
But as you probably noticed in the filming... You know, we got through it. We figured it out. And once we really got some of the main pieces done, it went pretty quickly.
And it was funny because he was building the pink ones. And then at one point he goes, I think I might have a couple different plants with all the pink pieces I have. So I thought that was kind of funny. Yeah. And then when you look at this, yes, there's pink here and here and here, all the way down. Tic-tac-toe.
Yeah. It's a lot of different
4
pinks,
in a row.
but in a way, they kind of look similar. So
they do, but I thought the puzzle pieces themselves were very vibrant. The coloring
they held together really well.
Oh yeah.
This was a very good piece. Once you put some of those pieces in there, they were stuck there for good. You had to really tear them apart to get it.
Yeah, we went to pick it up to show how nice it holds together. So I take back what I said about the people who didn't pull the pieces apart first. They're kind of hard to pull back apart.
We got an ambulance or something passing by. Sorry.
Yeah, that was kind of loud. But you guys, I definitely think that this one, Buffalo, the succulents, were beautiful. Yeah. And I definitely would suggest that to anybody. And even though it says 300, don't be fooled. It might take you just as long as it took us.
Or longer, or shorter. Who knows? Depends on how good you are at eye coordination, whatever that would be.
Some people are good.
Some people are real good, especially like the speed puzzlers. You know?
Oh my gosh, yes.
So it's kind of cray-cray. So, yeah.
So
hopefully you guys enjoyed this. We will be back with another one.
We will.
Yep. So we will talk to you later.